Hello guys, Shadow is here. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I mark clean beat in Adobe After Effects. Here's a quick preview. First, select your music layer, then right-click and press Keyframe Assistant. After that, press Convert Audio into keyframes. Select the new red layer, then press U to bring keyframes. Open the graph editor and follow my steps. Note that every spike of graph means a beat drop, but of course you need to listen along. To mark beat, there's an upside-down triangle on the right. Use it to mark beats. And of course guys, that's today's video. Subscribe and share this video to friend, and don't forget to tell what tutorial you want to see next. Bye bye.